Hello guys, this is Rahul from Abra Studies and Immigration Services, and not me only. We are back again with a video. Today we are having a very special guest with us, and her name is Advocate Richa Verma. So hi Richa ji.
Hello, hello everyone.
Yeah, basically she is a very good friend of ours, and let me tell you how we know her. We actually know her because once she got a Estonia Shanagan visa through us, and from
Yeah.
that day we became friends. So right now, let me tell you guys, she is actually studying in Italy, and today we are going to discuss about Italy, how it is all about, उसमें हम कितनी फीस पे करके जा सकते हैं, उसमें स्कॉलरशिप्स कैसे मिल सकती हैं, उसमें 2 से 3 लाख रुपए पर ईयर फीस कैसे पे बच्चा करके अपनी फीस को बचा सकता है ताकि कोई बर्डन ना आए. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस एंड नाउ लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हर. Yes, Richa ji.
Uh,
So please tell our people something about yourself.
okay. So I'm Advocate Richa Verma. I am doing practice in my legal profession in India.
Okay.
And first of all, I'll discuss about my qualification, educational qualification.
Okay.
That is, I have done my 12th class from government school, that is Pratibha Vikas. After
Okay.
that, I have done graduation in economics honors from Delhi University,
Okay.
followed by MA Economics.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have done LLB, that is Bachelor's of Law from Delhi University, and then LLM also.
Okay.
And after that, I went to Rome, Italy for my advanced master's in IT law, which I am still pursuing.
Okay. From Italy,
Yes,
right?
yes, I'm doing yes.
Okay.
So, when I was thinking to study abroad after pursuing my practice for 5 years,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to go to any Schengen country, but
Okay.
my preference was the budget.
ओके सो
Yes.
बेसिकली आपका इटली जाने का मोटिव ये था बिकॉज यू
Hmm.
वर सेविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम देयर.
Definitely,
सो
definitely,
कैसे
yes.
हाउ आर स्टूडेंट्स कैन यूज दिस थिंग इन देयर करियर एंड कैन सेव देयर एंड देयर पेरेंट्स मनी.
Okay.
हाउ?
So, I started in the period of Corona
ओके.
when I started research for the country specific
हम्म.
under my specific conditions for budget and for the course and the scope after my studies.
ओके.
So when I was doing my research, I selected 2 3 countries. Out of that,
ओके.
I selected Italy. Why? My first thing which attracted me towards Rome, Italy was the tuition fee, which was around 2 3 lakh for per year.
सो दीज आर द गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस जिसमें 2-3 लाख रुपए फीस है या सभी कॉलेजेस में 2-3 लाख रुपए
No, no,
फीस
no. What I am saying, there are many public universities and private also.
है? ओके.
I went for the public university, but if the student is going in Italy for private university, still they are paying only maximum 5 lakh per year.
Okay, that's it.
Yes,
So basically, we are going to provide the admission in the public universities and we are going to save everyone's money because a
definitely, yes,
person has to pay only 2 to 3 lakh per year. Okay.
yes.
So, Richa ji, we just want to know कि इटली के बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं. लाइक यू आर राइट नाउ यू आर इन इटली एंड यू आर एज अ स्टूडेंट इन इटली. सो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू कम टू नो कि वो आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताना चाहते हो.
ओके, सो ये मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँगी.
हम्म.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स को किसी भी शेंगन कंट्री में जाना है,
हम्म.
विद इन बजट जाना है, अपना
हम्म.
कोई कोर्स करना है, they can go to Italy, and after studies they can go any of the Schengen country,
ओके.
because 27 28 countries whatever is coming under Schengen area, they are running on same law, same rules are running over in complete Schengen
Everywhere in
area.
Schengen area.
Yes.
Okay.
So once you are completing your studies, even in Italy, you can go for job or any other course or any other opportunity in any of the Schengen country.
So a student doesn't have to require any kind of visa or something to enter in any of the country.
No. Once you are having a residence permit in Italy
Italy, okay.
or the work permit, you can apply anywhere
Sorry.
in
Okay.
Europe, in Schengen area, and you can go for jobs after completing your course from Italy.
From Italy.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say if somebody has done a course from Italy and
Yes.
someone has got the opportunity from Germany,
Yeah.
the student can go and can work in Germany.
Yes. Yes, in any country.
in
They,
any
if they
country?
are applying from Italy in any country in Schengen area for work or anything, they
Okay.
can go there and then they can change their work permit to that country, which will be very easy once you are having.
Schengen visa.
Yes.
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट
Yeah.
एंड वी जस्ट वांट टू नो कि बच्चों को ना आजकल प्रॉब्लम भी आती है कि उनको आइल्स नहीं देना, उनको पीटी नहीं देना, उनको टॉफिल नहीं देना. सो आर दीज यूनिवर्सिटीज टेकिंग एडमिशन विदाउट आइल्स आल्सो?
ओके, इस पे मैं बात करूंगी बिकॉज ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. मुझे हमेशा से आइल्स से डर लगता था
ओके.
क्योंकि आई नेवर स्कोर्ड व्हाट द अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज आई वांटेड टू अप्लाई सम टाइम इन यूके यूएस.
ओके.
I was not scoring that. So when I looked into Italy and I came in across with the marks they are asking in IELTS. So even in public universities or in private universities in Italy, हर बच्चा उतना स्कोर कर सकता है जितना दे आर आस्किंग. एंड मैनी यूनिवर्सिटीज, अगर हमारे पास कोई स्टूडेंट आता है या वो अप्लाई करता है, दे आर नॉट कैपेबल इवन टू सिट इन आइल्स, they can
Okay.
apply there.
Okay.
Yes, it is not strict rule for that. We have many ways to prove our English. Like
Okay.
your university can, the current university in India can issue your certificate that is medium of instructions. They are also accepting that.
MOI.
Yes.
Okay, so she is talking about MOI, medium of instruction, कि आपने जो भी पढ़ाई करी है
Yeah.
वो किस लैंग्वेज में करी है.
Yes.
If you get this certificate from your university or your college or a school, you don't require IELTS, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So रिचा जी, हमारा नेक्स्ट सवाल ये है कि वहाँ पर जाने के बाद जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटीज कितनी है? बिकॉज
Okay.
इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड द पेरेंट्स आर आस्किंग कि बच्चे को हम अगर बाहर भेज रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर जॉब्स हैं या नहीं है, या फिर स्टूडेंट कैन अर्न पार्ट टाइम और नॉट.
Okay. So as मैं अभी वहाँ पे होके आई हूँ, and so I can share my experience with that also, as many of my friends are working. So if you are studying in any university or doing anything there, आप पार्ट टाइम वहाँ पे काम कर सकते हो,
Okay.
which is allowed,
Which is allowed. Okay.
and the work is also available, but you have to put efforts.
We have to put that.
काम
Okay.
है, करने को भी मिलेगा,
Okay.
लेकिन स्पून फीडिंग नहीं होगी.
स्पून फीडिंग वो तो
काम
obviously.
ढूंढने निकलोगे, काम मिलेगा.
Okay.
वर्क है, वर्क इज अवेलेबल एंड विद द गुड पे.
Good pay.
यस, लाइक कोई जनरल सा काम भी आप कर रहे हो, स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग लाइक they are serving breakfast in hotel, they are working only for 2 hours, they are getting 40 to 50 euros per day for 2 hours,
Just for
which
2
is,
hours, 40
yes,
to 50 euro. Okay.
yes, which is around 3 to 4,000 around in India.
Mhm.
So they are working, they are not in need money from their parents, and already they have paid very less fees, so there is no burden on parents also.
Okay.
And they are also sending money to their families.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Means the opportunities in Italy are very high.
Definitely. Yeah.
And they don't have to basically ask their parents for the money while they are studying. Great. Now we just want to know ki how safe it is. Like if some girl is going to study in Italy, how safe it is for her and for him also. Like if a student is going to study in Italy all alone just after 12th for the graduation,
Okay.
how safe it is?
First of all, in Schengen area, any country
Mhm.
is safer than India.
Okay.
Okay.
See,
Because-
let me tell you, it's a lawyer who is speaking this.
Yes.
Okay. So about the safety, nobody can tell you more than the police and the lawyer.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It was my first time I was out of the house and lived alone. I
Okay.
went alone
Okay.
and I was not knowing to anybody in the new area.
Okay.
But I have never felt even for a day I am in new country or new place.
Okay. Very nice.
इसमें मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी, इटालियंस, मैं ज़्यादा लोगों से नहीं मिली बाकी कंट्रीज. इटालियंस आर वेरी फ्रेंडली एंड वेरी हेल्पफुल.
Okay.
आई हैव वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक मुझे किसी ने रिकमेंड नहीं किया था इटली जाओ. इवन व्हेन आई टोल्ड पीपल आई एम गोइंग टू इटली, एवरीबडी डिस्करेज्ड मी.
Okay.
बट मैंने स्टैंड लिया, मुझे जाना था, मैंने सुना था अच्छा है जो भी है,
Okay.
बट आई वेंट देयर. इट वाज माय बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ लाइफ.
Okay.
मुझे एक भी दिन कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. एंड इवन यू आर आउट एट नाइट, everybody is helping you.
Okay.
I haven't find any crime. यस, थोड़ी सी सेफ्टी आपको खुद रखनी है, हर जगह हर तरीके के लोग होते हैं,
Okay.
बट मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला एंड मैंने लोगों से भी नहीं सुना. देयर इज नो एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ क्राइम पार्ट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो.
People also.
यस, सो यू आर सेफ, यू आर अ गर्ल, यू आर बॉय, ऐसा नहीं है लड़कियां अनसेफ होती हैं, लड़के भी होते हैं.
Mhm.
So the Italy, particular Italy is safe for everybody, but you have to take care of yourself everywhere, everywhere, even
Okay.
in India. Yes.
Okay. So it was all about the safety part.
Yeah.
Now, I just want to know, Richa ji,
Yes.
कि what is all about studies? After studies, क्या future है? Means बच्चों का.
Okay. So you are going for any course
Mhm.
in Italy.
Mhm.
Basically, you are going for the course जिसकी knowledge आपको पहले से है.
Okay.
आप मास्टर्स कर रहे हो, आप बैचलर्स कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो,
Mhm.
तो जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर वेरी हाई.
Mhm.
अगर आप किसी भी फील्ड जनरली ढूंढते हो, वर्क इज अवेलेबल.
Okay.
बट अगर आप एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जॉब ढूंढते हो, यू विल डेफिनेटली 100% गेट द जॉब इन एनी शेंगन एरिया.
Okay.
Yes, you can apply in any country. Suppose somebody is doing HM, hotel management,
Okay.
very high scope in Italy.
Okay.
Yes, because Italy is famous for food.
Food, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
pizza, pasta, daily routine things are coming from Italy only. You are going to do fashion part. Fashion.
Okay.
It is also famous in the Italy is full of beauty.
Okay.
Fashion part is also there. Once if you are doing your IT from Italy,
Okay.
then the whole Schengen area is open
Open.
for you.
Oh wow, very
Yes,
nice.
opportunities are equal in 28 countries. If you are doing from Italy or anywhere, you have to just fix your criteria. Like mine was, I never wanted to spend too much on
Okay.
my studies. Yes.
Okay.
So, and the number of fees waivers are available,
Mhm.
number of scholarships are available
Mhm.
on your basic background of your family and all. Almost every student is getting scholarship also.
Scholarships from.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So within your budget and of your interest, you can get best option in Italy. This is my personal experience I am sharing. This is
Okay.
not about me only, for every student
For
who
every
want to go. Yes.
Okay, so Italy is all about, a good opportunity, all about is saving your money, and it is as safest as any country in
Yeah.
the world, and more safest than India. Okay, now uh, we are going to an end, and I'm just going to ask some of the last questions.
Yes.
Key basically you are coming and going back to Italy a lot of times,
Yes.
since you have joined your institute and your college. How it feels like, how much it is costing, and what kind of accommodation you are getting there, how accommodation a student is getting there. After lending services में students को वहाँ पर problem तो नहीं होती कि उन्हें काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है, 4 महीने 5 महीने to get settled, to get the accommodation like in UK or another places. So,
Okay.
what is all about these things? How was your experience about it?
It was also one of the attractive part for me
Okay.
when I checked the ticket. I am in Rome, in
Mhm.
Italy. It is very close to India.
Mhm.
So maybe highest what I have paid for my ticket is 27,000 around, and the lowest I have paid 12,000
Okay.
for one side ticket. So it is not difficult to travel.
Travel manage.
Yes,
Okay.
if you have work, because as I am working here also. So as traveling part, it is very cheap. जो बच्चों को दिक्कत होती है कनाडा से आने जाना, यूके से आना जाना, उस हिसाब
वो
से
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
या नो, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आफ्टर दैट वंस यू आर लैंडिंग देयर,
Mhm.
सो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी थोड़ा सा आप थोड़ी सी इटालियन सीख के जाएं. आप कहाँ से हैं, आप कैसे हैं, आप क्या भाषा बोलते हैं, ये सब आप इटालियन में थोड़ा सा पूछ पाए.
कुछ.
थोड़ा सा बेसिक आपको सीख के जाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. एयरपोर्ट से कनेक्टेड मेट्रो है, मेट्रो विल ड्रॉप यू एट सेंटर ऑफ द रोम, एनीवेयर. इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट रोम ओनली, इवन इन मिलान, फ्लोरेंस, देयर इज अ फैसिलिटी ऑफ मेट्रो जो आपकी कनेक्टेड है एयरपोर्ट से.
एयरपोर्ट
आप
से.
बहुत इजीली एयरपोर्ट पे आप अपना कार्ड बनवाएं, आप अपना नंबर लें, आप डे वन अपने आप को सेटल कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट.
Okay.
Okay. And expenses, if I'll come on the expenses, very cheap. You are getting one card for traveling in buses and metro that is costing you 35 euros per month.
Okay.
which is around 3000,
3,000.
3200, and you are using every bus, every metro within Rome to go
Oh,
anywhere.
nice.
Even the आप number लेते हैं, mobile number, which
Mm-hmm.
is very cheap. I have that number. I am paying 9 euros per month.
Okay.
I am getting all the facility, all calls are free, even 300 minutes in India free. So
Lot of things are there.
yes, yes. So as compared to other Schengen countries, regular activities and the living is very cheap in comparison.
In comparison.
Yes,
Okay.
I have done all the research over this. That is why I was in Italy only. I am in Italy. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So our last question for the day is, what one thing you like the most in Italy?
Okay. One thing तो नहीं है,
Mm-hmm.
बहुत कुछ है.
Okay, but the most
Yes.
one, जो सबसे ज्यादा पसंद हो आपको?
सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद, Rome is very beautiful. Even the
Okay.
whole Italy is very beautiful. Even you are walking over path,
Mm-hmm.
and people are so friendly.
Okay.
I haven't met even a single person who ever said no to anything
Okay.
or he denied to help. Even I asked for the way, he came with me to drop me at the doorstep.
Oh wow, very
Yes.
nice.
Like this is an experience of 6 months. I was there. So, and food.
Okay.
Food, कुछ भी खा लो, कुछ भी खा लो. मतलब taste is ultimate. Once you will come back from Italy here, you want like pizza, you want like coffee, pizza, pasta. Every food is highly recommendable. सब कुछ taste करो. जाओ तो सब कुछ खा के आना.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
So people those are looking to go to Italy, want to have some tasty foods, and want to see the beauty of Italy, can contact us over 807667591. And the best part is, you can find Richa ji also with us at any time.
Yeah.
Okay, just let us know. We can connect you with her over the Zoom, over the call, or over the in-person meeting, and she'll be always there for you because she's doing the social activities also in India.
Yes.
So she's always there to help students. Those are willing to get good out of them. Okay. So this is your Rahul again, and she is Richa Verma, advocate Richa Verma with us. And it was nice talking to you, Richa ji.
Thank you so much. Same
Okay,
here.
thanks
Same
for
here.
coming to our
Definitely.
office.
Anytime.
Right.
Yeah.
And it was nice talking to you guys also. Please keep watching us, okay, and getting the updates as most as possible. Thank you so much.